Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. So here in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. And after that, just open the app, click here yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And here you will see the information with our battery temperature. So we got 31 and 1 degrees here, and also here we got another information like the our device level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.